Because JBL doesn't provide anything to recharge this speaker in the box, maybe except this little cable. Well, I've been asked this question a lot, how to recharge it. Well, you see there is a USB-C connection right over here. USB is a standard. This means that you can use any USB-C connector. It can be this one, just anyone. And you connect it just right here, and you will see if it is well connected, the status light here, and this actually indicate the level, because now we only have this very last portion that is blinking. It means that it's almost full charge. Now, to what do you connect it? It can be those little power brick. Doesn't matter which one. USB is a standard. You cannot break your speaker. You can use any of those. You can use your computer, anything. However, they are not all as fast each other. They all have, even if it's a standard, some are faster than other. If you don't care, take anything you have at home, connect it, and you're done. If you want something fast, what I do recommend to use is this guy, the Anchor Prime. There is 3 USB-C connection, 1 USB-A, and it delivers up to 150 watts to those 4 ports. It depends on how much you use at the same time. Very good device if you're traveling and want to charge your stuff fast. So this is how you charge it. I hope this was helpful, and the link for this is in the description.